Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to Watch You Reacts. Okay, so today I'm gonna be reacting to the Mass Singer Malaysia 2, Rambutan versus Burung Hantu. Anyways, yeah, so kill this love. We got K-pop in the house. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh, that's good. Oh, hey. The harmony, guys. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. Hey. Oh. Oh, Burung Hantu. Ah, so good. Oh my God. So good. Oh. You're not done. Burung Hantu, man. Dang. I got goosebumps on that one. That was crazy. Oh my God. You know, Burung Hantu should be like a rapper singer. So good. And rumor has it that Rambutan is Shila Amzah. So the first week, I guess that Rambutan was the sister, Shada Amzah. But then after a while, right, I was like, you know what? There's nobody else who sounds like this, who has this like very crispy. I think if her voice was food, it would be like chips, you know. It's so crispy, it's so clear. Even when she does runs, it's very like it's very detailed. Like her voice is very like it's very like clear. And knowing the voice quality between her and her sister, it's definitely Shila Amzah. It's definitely Shila Amzah. And Burung Hantu, guys, this is her food. I think this genre is her food. She really needs to go out there. I think she can really hit it big. You know, the only like singer rapper ish that I was like, oh, she's really good is like Sarah Suhairi. But Hannah Delisha, I never got a chance to know Hannah Delisha, right? Since, you know, we're putting it out there that it's Hannah Delisha. She's good. She is good. She is a force to reckon with. she should be bigger. It's so good. It's so good. And this, they really put K-pop to justice. Like, I am pleased with this. It doesn't sound awkward, you know, when they were singing in Korean. I almost forgot that they were singing in Korean. 와, 너무 좋아. 진짜. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the reaction. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.